Get down here. There's an attack by the river. We need help now. Help! Python at the river. We need assistance now.
We have a situation at LZ7. Requesting immediate extraction.
Howitzers down. Repeat, howitzers down.
Listen to me. The coordinates are 3, 4.8, minus 68. They're here. They're outside the tent. Oh, God.
Jackson, they found us. The asset is critical. I'm moving to checkpoint Charlie, but I've got multiple hostiles closing in fast. Send help now.
New priority target at Gamma 7. Deploy immediately. Cole, prep the rifle. Ramirez, get the drone ready. We're moving in 5. Target moving southeast, velocity holding steady at 40 knots. ETA revised to 3 minutes. Atmospheric interference is clearing. Thermal filter engaged. Multiple heat sources detected in the wetlands area. Moving to investigate. Target acquired. Confirmed 2 massive heat signatures intertwined near the riverbank. Python and equine.
Final approach. Maintain stealth. Let's go. Jackson to all units, slow your pace. We approach the riverbank. Ramirez, get the drone up. Jackson, look at the size of that thing. Command, be advised, we have a hostile constrictor. Repeat, hostile constrictor engaging a civilian asset.
Have the target.
Confirmation on the secondary subject. We have a complication.
Hold position. I see the target. Prepare the net. Cut it off now! Don't let it reach the tent!
Hold it steady. Don't let it slip.
Hit it now! Secure the net, Ramirez! Haul it off now! Don't let it reach the tent!
Keep the pressure on. Don't let it move.
It's breaking free! Watch out for the tail! Keep back now! Don't let go!
We're losing it! Get the support team now!
Jackson to command. The giant is down. I repeat, the giant python is secured. Send in the transport team. All right, team. Python secured. Let's initiate extraction protocol. Medics, I want that A station up and running now. Double time. Subject fully sedated.
Bring her in tight to the net. Lines are secured, Jackson. Ready for tension. All right, engage the hydraulics. Lift on my mark.
Lift sequence engaged. Maintain altitude and pivot right.
That's it, just like that. You're all right. Come on, you got this.
Command, this is Jackson. We are secure. Begin the lift. Next time the report says large python, I'm bringing an armored vehicle. Make it 2.
And a drone.
A drone with missiles.
Should hold just fine. Good job, big guy. We'll get you checked out back at the base.